Black Sky Holdings is a leading provider of geospatial intelligence and global monitoring services. Osprey Technology Acquisition Corporation is a special purpose acquisition company listed on the New York Stock Exchange under the ticker symbol SFTW. Osprey and Black Sky have entered into a definitive merger agreement for a business combination. After closing of the transaction, the combined company will be listed again on the New York Stock Exchange under the ticker symbol BKSY. The proceeds from the transaction will help Black Sky expand its small satellite constellation and penetrate into the commercial market. Morgan Stanley estimates that the global space market will be $1 trillion in 2040, up from $350 billion currently. The space market will be serving broadband internet, delivery of packages, and the most exciting of all, space travel. Black Sky is a space data capture and analytics company that has a first mover advantage, also the lowest cost provider of space data images. In this video, we will take a deep dive analysis of the company background and the first mover advantage of Black Sky. The company has established contracts with multiple government agencies. For the past 12 months, its contracts grew by $1.1 billion and stand at a total of $1.7 billion in pipeline contracts. We will take a look at the merger transaction and the share structure details. Finally, we'll try to come up with a valuation and go through the risk factors involved in this transaction. So please stay for the whole video so you find all the details about this exciting space pack. Hi, I'm Arshad Ahmed, founder of DIYstockpicker.com, an investment portal dedicated to help investors make intelligent decisions. This video is for information purposes, and please do your due diligence before making any investment decisions. So let's get started. Black Sky was founded in 2014 and is headquartered in Herndon, Virginia. Brian O'Toole is the CEO of the company. He has 30 years of experience in geospatial intelligence. Brian has founded several successful startups, including OpenEye, for which he was the CTO. He also founded OpenWare, the software of which provides the software capabilities for Black Sky. Black Sky is vertically integrated, starting from the manufacture of small satellite constellations all the way until the software stack. The company's small satellites orbit the Earth and continually send images. These images are stored in a proprietary database. There are AI and machine learning capabilities in its software stack that scan these images and look for global events and provide actionable insight. The company also has an application layer serving different use cases. The company plans to expand its space network by installing 30 small satellite constellations that orbit the Earth and can send images of every location every 30 minutes. The $180 million PIPE transaction is led by world-class global investors, including Tiger Global and Hedosophia, which is founded by billionaire Chamath Palihapitiya. All the existing investors are rolling in their equity and no one is cashing out of this transaction. Some of the investors are also participating in the PIPE, like Peter Thiel and Ajay Royan of Mithril Capital. Let's take a look at the competitive advantage of Black Sky. The moat of the company starts with low-cost satellites. This means that Black Sky can put more satellites into orbit and send more information about Earth. In the end, it means more data and analytics for the customers. Black Sky's satellites are 10x cheaper than legacy architectures. The low-cost approach means that they can deliver data and analytics to the market at a lower price point. This is very important advantage as the growth in commercial sector has been limited due to cost, frequency, and accessibility of the data. The flexible architecture enables higher utilization of the assets. Black Sky has built its business around three key elements: a constellation of global satellites that can monitor the Earth day and night in multiple spectrums with high revisit rates, a software platform that can combine these images from other data like IoT sensors, social media news and feeds, and deliver actionable insights for customers, a proprietary database of global activity that will power the customers to make actionable decisions. Let's take a look at the software and AI stack. Black Sky has a fully operational enterprise-grade software stack. The company is expanding the platform every day with new data and analytics. Powered by AWS, the architecture is built to scale. A key feature of the software architecture is a global intelligence database that will be accessible to developers through an API framework. The software system can build event clusters, which means that the system can remember and detect anomalies over time. The AI and machine learning algorithms continually feed on the data that is being sent by these geospatial satellites. With time, these algorithms will get better and better at predicting changes. The geospatial imagery data and analytics market is expected to grow from $13 billion to $40 billion over the next 5 years. The growth will be fueled by the commercial market that will be using these solutions. The geospatial data and analytics market is one of the biggest opportunities of the space economy. Thales Alenia is a large public aerospace company in France that specializes in the design and development of large global satellites. Thales participated in the Series C financing and invested in BlackSky. Prior to their investment, they did technical due diligence and were impressed with BlackSky's capabilities. LeoStella is a joint venture between Thales and BlackSky and is an independent entity. LeoStella specializes in the design and development of small satellites. BlackSky owns 50% of this company. BlackSky has 5 satellites in commercial operations and is scheduled to add an additional 9 satellites to its constellation in 2021. Ultimately, BlackSky seeks to establish a constellation of 30 high-resolution, multispectral satellites capable of monitoring locations on Earth every 30 minutes. Let's take a look at the merger transaction details. Pro forma implied enterprise value of approximately $1.1 billion, $445 million cash to balance sheet. Transaction includes $318 million of cash held in trust and $180 million PIPE financing. The deal is expected to close by the end of second quarter 2021. Let's look at the share structure. Total shares outstanding of 147.7 million, 63% existing BlackSky shareholders, 12% PIPE investors, 21% SFTW SPAC shareholders, 4% SFTW SPAC sponsor shareholders. Let's try to come up with a valuation for BlackSky. The company has a first mover advantage in global monitoring. The proprietary software stack gives it an opportunity to get recurring revenues by selling its subscription services. There is a huge opportunity of growth in the commercial sector. Sectors like energy, insurance, utilities, transportation have a lot of use cases that can utilize geospatial intelligence and analytics. The company is expected to be cash flow positive by the end of 2024. The gross margins are expected to be 75%. Let's take a look at the management projections. $546 million revenue and EBITDA of $244 million by the end of 2025. We'll use a valuation multiple of 15 for EV by EBITDA. That gives an enterprise value of $3.66 billion divided by the shares outstanding of 147.7 million. This gives a valuation of $25 per share in 2025 estimated. According to management estimates, BlackSky is currently valued at 15 to 19x of 2022 revenue. There are a few risk factors involved in investing in this transaction. The race to space is a new market. There are a lot of competitors that are entering into this market. The advantage for BlackSky is that it already has a complete software stack ready and the lowest cost geospatial imaging provider. The company also has a revenue, though it's very less right now, but other competitors do not have any revenue to show for. The ultimate success of BlackSky depends on the growth of the global space market. There are a lot of proven data and analytics platforms in the market. These companies are highly funded and have years of experience behind them. The only differentiating factor for BlackSky is that it owns its data. But as new companies penetrate that provide geospatial images, the other data analytic providers will have access to this data at lower cost. The geospatial data may become a commodity. When this happens, the SaaS platform may not give the benefits to BlackSky as it's currently expecting in its revenue projections. The other risk is that since this is a SPAC transaction, there is a risk that the merger may not go through. I hope you found the video informational. I have analyzed Archer Aviation, which is an electric vertical takeoff and landing aircraft manufacturer that has $1 billion of contract from United. You should see that card here on the end screen, and I hope to see you in that video. Thanks for watching.